Mold prevention in your home is crucial due to its potential health risks. Mold, being allergenic, thrives on three conditions: air, spores, organic food sources, and moisture. The key to preventing it is controlling moisture. Regular air quality tests and professional indoor environment monitoring can help. Humidity, a form of moisture, is caused by daily activities like cooking and showering. You should keep your humidity levels between 30 and 50%. To monitor this, you can use a hygrometer or professional services. Common mold triggers include high humidity, condensation, and water leaks, often resulting from temperature differences between indoor and outdoor air. Ensure good air circulation and proper ventilation. Dirt, condensation, and moisture can also lead to mold growth on windows, carpets, and rugs. Regular cleaning and vacuuming can mitigate this. During spring cleaning, treat each piece of furniture, declutter to improve airflow, and clean bookshelves thoroughly. Discard damp books, newspapers, or magazines, as they can harbor mold. Contact Mold Busters for professional help and book a free virtual inspection at bustmold.com or through our app.